Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Match Made in Heaven.
And we got a great little video for today, Laura. What's it about?
It's about how to set up a game camera and catch some critters that are getting into your chicken coops.
So please continue watching. I think you'll like this. If you're raising backyard chickens like we are, you're potentially going to have critters unless you're in the middle of a subdivision. I would imagine even then. So in this video we go through that. If you like our videos, please subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that little bell and turn those guys on. Give us a like, give us a comment on this video. But thanks for watching.
And also, no animals were harmed in the making of this video.
Very good point. So I came out this morning to check on the chickens and feed them, of course, and water. And here's one of the fun things, bad things, of raising chickens, backyard chickens, is critters. So last night we had somebody trying to dig in. So you can see they did a good job. They moved this brick out and dug through, and it looks like they were successful at getting in. And then on the other side they moved a brick out there. So we'll of course going to repair this. I'm going to do some leveling. Instead of using these smaller bricks, I'm going to use these larger bricks here. But one thing to keep in mind with chicken coops is critters will dig under your coop. So you can see we use landscaping timbers around. Over here we've got some landscaping timbers too, rocks. But we'll show you also what we're going to do on our new coop to try to lessen that risk of chickens being accessible by critters. In this case I'm thinking a raccoon dug under. And then also how to catch and how to verify who is trying to access your chickens. So what I'm thinking happened last night is they moved the bricks, they dug under, they got in. The good news is we shut them up every night. So we have a door here on this coop that I built, which we're upgrading, that we shut every night. It's not automatic. You can see I've got a little string here and it comes through a little hole and then connects in with a little eye hook, and we open and close that every night manually. So over here you can see, and I'll talk a little bit about it more. I'll show you the actual unit, but that's our game camera. Cheap way to do it, uses a little SD card, and then we can see who is messing with our critters, or I'm sorry, what critters are messing with our chickens at night, and then we do corrective actions there and try to catch them and remove them from our area. So I've used that to validate multiple critters and then put some plans into place and how we remove them from our chickens. So be on the watch out. All right guys, here's the Tasco game camera. You can see very easy to open, waterproof there. It's got a seal around it, connectivity here, and then all I did was inserted the SD card in every evening, and then I would of course get it out, check everything, pop it in and out real easy. Here's your lights when it was on. So when I flip it on, we go ahead, flip it on, it would wait, it counts down 10 seconds, and then it started detecting motion. So it was very simple to get in play. So back, it came with a strap that you could strap to a tree, Tasco here, and then it also has this connectivity. So what I purchased instead of using the strap was I purchased these little tree mounts. I actually used them in 2x2s and other pieces of wood around the chicken coop. And then when I had, actually it came in a 3-pack, so I had these in 3 different spots. And then I would just screw on and move the game camera around. So 8 AA batteries, and that's it. So I would highly recommend giving this an option if you're just getting started. It's a cheap option to monitor your chickens at night and see what's going on when you're not there. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.